This is the summary created from the video. Lecture 45 Demonstration-XVI. The video provides an overview of event handling in Java through interactive demo examples, recapping concepts from the previous AWT module. It explores the Scribble applet, which allows free drawing using mouse events by implementing mouse listener and mouse motion listener interfaces. The mouse listener example demonstrates how a label's text changes based on different mouse events triggered. Key event handling is categorized into key pressed, key released, and key typed events, with techniques to identify and handle various key types. The button and text field event handling applet illustrates configuring UI components, registering action listeners for buttons, and building a simple calculator. The swing calculator example showcases a comprehensive implementation with buttons for numbers, operations, clear, and equals, each having associated event handling routines. Effective event handling is crucial for creating responsive and interactive user interfaces and experiences in Java applications. Please stay tuned for more summary videos.